Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are in good condition. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, or night, sir, and everyone. I am very happy to be able to speak in front of all of you throughout this video. Maybe my introduction feel long, but I want to try to share not only about who I am, but also my life journey until now. Okay, but calm. I will try to make my story not too serious so we can both enjoy it. Maybe I will introduction my name first. Okay, my name is Jose Baptista. You can call me Jose or Jos or Joe. Yeah, I was born in Pontianak City in a simple but warm family. I am the second child. I have two siblings, one brother and one little sister. You call say my children who quite colorful because there were fun story. There were also challenge. In my childhood, I was an active child. From there, my character began to look like I like to try, sometimes reflex, but always wanted to learn. For my current age, 19 years, okay? Okay, next, maybe I will tell you about my school. Now I'm studying at Widya Dharma University's Pontianak. I am only in my first semester at college and I course accounting manager. I am graduate of Santo Paulus High School Pontianak. I majored in accounting in college because it was in line with a subject in studied in high school. From elementary school to junior high school, I attended Pontianak Suster School. Each level has its own unforgettable memories. Next, I will tell you what my hobby is. If you ask me about my hobbies, of course, I have several that I can tell you about. My hobbies are gym or workout, yeah, reading storybooks, listen to song, go for a walk, write a story, drawing, yeah, playing games, play chess, yeah, watching movie, and many more of my other hobbies. Yeah. If asked about my main hobby, I will coach gym or workout. I often do this hobby every day. I feel happy doing there. For me, hobbies are important apart from entertainment. Hobbies also show personality and some things open up new opportunities. From our hobbies, we can learn to be consistent. If we talk about where I live, okay, I live in Pontianak City. For more details, I live at Jalan Ampera, Complex Hokiland Smart Resident. My resident has its own uniqueness. My resident also has interesting dynamics. Yeah. In the morning, I usually see people exercising, walking, cycling. Yeah. From there, we usually say hello. That's a little thing that I find interesting about my place. At a night, the atmosphere is very calm. It feels peaceful when you are at home. But on the other hand, this tranquility is actually a strength that make people feel at home and comfortable. For me, a place to live is not just a location on a map. It is a space that contains memories, people we love, and experience that shape us. So that the story about where I live. Okay. Next, I want to tell you about some things that then becomes a topic of reflection for me, namely hopes and dream. I want to achieve business owner someday. My reason is simple, namely because the hobby I like is the gym. Yeah, and I want my life to have meaning, not only for myself, but also to be useful for others. I believe that any job can be meaningful if we do, do it serious. But I feel this field is the most suitable for my interests and abilities. Of course, having dreams does not mean the road is easy. There are many challenges that I have to face, but on the other hand, every time I see successful people struggle from zero, I get excited again. I learn it part of the process towards success. My hopes for the future are quite simple but deep. Namely, I want to be able to make my parents proud and profit benefits to the surrounding community. If my dream come true, I don't know want to stop there. I want to continue learning and developing and eventually one day be an inspiration to other. Yeah, I believe that hopes and dream I like contents they may not be visible yet, but with that compass we have a direction to follow. Even if the road is winding, if we remain consistent, I'm confident we will reach our destination. So those are my hopes and dream. I hope my dream come true, and I hope we can all achieve whatever we strive for. Okay, that's pretty much the story about me, starting from who I am, my education, my hobbies, where I live, to my hopes and aspiration for me the future. If you think it is a long story, trust me, I shortened it. But honestly, this introduction is important to me because I believe every meeting always bring me opportunities. Maybe today we just know each other by name, but who knows? Maybe tomorrow or the day after that we call be working together. So thank you for patiently listening to me ramble. I hope you did not fall asleep. Yeah. If any you did, I take it saying to me to you were too comfortable listening to my voice. Okay, that that's all my introduction. I thank you. Okay, see you.